Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SGCP. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and definitely above average volume than what the chart normally sees. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk areas of resistance. So the first level of support is what I would call the ideal level. When you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up there above 0009. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 0009, I'm not saying the entire chart's broken or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can actually stay up above that area, that would definitely be a huge sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at things from more so a big picture point of view, that is where the purple line here comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, this line here is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. This right here I'm defining as the move. Just watch the purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full control, the bulls are in full health. However you must visualize that, that is what's being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 0009, that would be great. But from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. As far as where the sellers are hanging out at, made themselves pretty apparent right up there at 0014. Yeah, a couple instances the price actually did get up through that level, but I think we'd all agree the main point of price congestion does seem to be right around that area. So you had a couple times there, you had right there, and you had some more data points right around that area. So 0014 seems to be public enemy number one going into tomorrow. All in all, though, great looking chart, and as long as the price continues to chip away and build higher lows, that's how uptrends are constructed. And when an uptrend is in effect, all you got to do is just sit back and let everything else take care of itself, which includes breaking areas of resistance. So focus on healthy lows and sit back and, like I said, let the trend do its thing. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.